have recently completed my graduation at Government SK Institute, Bangalore in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. And I have joined PYspiders on February as an incubation student. After I joined PYspider, I gained my knowledge in Python programming and coding skills. Here faculties are very good. They help me to gain my knowledge in all the fields like Python, SQL, web technology, and every faculties are very supportive. Here the teaching is very good. If you join PYspiders, it will be very easy to get placed, and they will teach us how to give mock interviews also, how to improve our knowledge. And here I gain my knowledge by